This is the Viofo A329 versus the A229 Pro driving at night. You will see right out of the gate, the Viofo A329 picks up the Kia EV9 license plate more clear than the actual Viofo A229 Pro. And as we continue driving forward, this Prius Prime here, and the A329 wins again, picking up the license plate clearer than A229 Pro. And now we're coming up to a Tesla Model 3, which has that epic green British Columbia license plate, which is very hard. We have a lot of dash cameras on the channel, have a hard time picking up this license plate, and the A329 does pick it up. Keep in mind, we're going about 40 kilometers an hour / 25 miles per hour for our American friends who like to watch the channel. We're now coming up to a set of lights, and the A329 picks up both license plates on both vehicles there, as compared to the A229 Pro has a little bit of a challenge. Now we're going about 60 to 70 kilometers an hour, and on the right-hand side, the A329 wins again, picking up the Subaru that's actually driving by us on the right-hand side. And as we roll up to the red light at the intersection, we come right behind this Ford Escape, and both units pick up the license plate clear as day. But as we go on the highway, we're going about 100 kilometers an hour, and it actually picks up the license plate with the A329, while the A229 Pro comes out pretty blurry. And then we did our thing where it's pitch black, and we pull up, and the A229 Pro is suffering, picking up that license plate a little bit. It's interesting that we're seeing this pop up again, because I thought this was fixed from the original firmware, which was about a year ago. Either way, let me know, what do you think in the comments? Are you happy with the A329 nighttime performance, or are you not? I know for me, when I heard this product was coming out, I was quite negative about it. I wasn't really excited about it. I was like, we have the A229 Pro. Why do we need another camera with the same image sensor? But I gotta say, the nighttime performance is looking like a huge upgrade.